Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. 10 passive income ideas that replace your 9 to 5 over time. What if you woke up tomorrow and you didn't have to rush, didn't have to check the clock, didn't have to trade your time for money? What if your income kept coming in even when you weren't working? That's the idea of passive income. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. It's not instant. It's not effortless, but it is possible. Today, we're breaking down 10 passive income ideas that can slowly, realistically replace your 9 to 5. Let's begin. 1. Digital products. Create something once, sell it forever. Ebooks, templates, guides. You put in the work up front and over time. It keeps generating income. The key is simple. Solve a real problem. 2. Online courses. If you know something valuable, you can teach it. People are constantly learning online, and a well-made course can sell for years. Start simple. Clarity matters more than perfection. 3. YouTube content. Videos you make today can earn money months, even years later, through ads, sponsorships, affiliates. The secret is consistency and value. 4. Dividend investing. You invest in companies, and they pay you regularly. It's not fast, but it is powerful because over time, your money starts working for you. 5. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products and earn a commission through blogs, videos, social media. You don't need your own product, just trust and the right audience. 6. Print on demand. Design once. Sell on products like shirts, mugs, posters. No inventory, no shipping. You create. The system handles the rest. 7. Rental income. Property, rooms, even equipment. You own an asset, and it generates cash flow. It requires capital, but it builds long-term stability. 8. APIs or software. If you can build or partner with someone who can, apps can generate recurring income. Subscriptions, upgrades, one product, many users. 9. Blogging. Write content that people search for over time. Traffic grows, and with it, ad revenue. Affiliate income. Patience is key here. 10. Automated e-commerce dropshipping or automated stores. You set up systems that handle orders, marketing, fulfillment. It's not fully passive at first, but it can become semi-passive over time. Here's what most people get wrong. They chase quick money. Instead of building systems, passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the work once and getting paid again and again. You don't need all 10 ideas. You need one. Done consistently. Because over time, that one stream can grow and eventually replace your 9 to 5. So start today, start small, but start. Because the life you want is built on what you create. When no one is watching, that was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.